Hello everybody, this is Engineer A.C. Sahu, Faculty Expert, MKD Education. Welcome to MKD Education. Today we will discuss about center of gravity and moment of inertia, that is your chapter 4 Engineering Mechanics. This is second class. So in this class, we will find the expression for center of gravity of your triangular figure or triangular section, rectangular section and semicircular section, right? So let's start. So to introduce this class, already I have told you we will cover expression for CG of triangular section, rectangular section and semicircle. So it is important to know location of CG of sections because number of engineering objects which we will come across are made of these cross sections. So that's why it is very important to know CG for these sections. And at the outset of this class, you will be able to locate the center of gravity for these sections. So first we will start expression for center of gravity of a triangular section, or we can say triangle. So triangular section or triangular lamina. So CG of triangular lamina. Lamina means your plate. So to find the CG of this triangular lamina, let us consider a triangular plate or a triangular lamina A, B, C, right? And let's say BC is the width of the or the breadth of the or the base of the triangle or triangular lamina, and H is the height of the triangular lamina. B is the base, H is the height. Now let mass of lamina for unit area, right? So let M is the mass of the lamina for unit area. So what is the area of the plate? Area of lamina, who can say? Area of the triangle, half into base into height. So this is half, base is B, height is H. So M is the mass for unit area and this is the area of the lamina. So total mass. So total mass, how much? এটা হলা গোটে এরিয়া পাই মাস m. So a area পাই মাস হবো m into a, that means m into half b h. So this is the total mass. Now let us consider an element DE which is at a distance of y from the base BC, and let DE, which is the thickness is dy, right? Dy is the thickness of DE. So DE is the small element we have considered. This is DE. Total triangle ro kichi portion hala DE, right? Which is we have taken as element and it is at a distance of y from base BC. So now we will find area of the element DE. Area of element DE. So let small element, that's why DA will likely small t stands for small a for area. So again you see DE is nothing but a rectangle. So that's why the area will be length into breadth. Length kete na DE, width kete dy. So we can write this is DE into dy. DE is the length, dy is the breadth, or we can say thickness. So the area of the element is DE into dy. So this is the area. Now we have to find what is the value of DE. Now just consider these two triangle, ADE triangle. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, just compare these two triangles. ADE, ABC, you know DE is parallel to BC, so this angle equal to means angle D equal to angle B, angle E equal to angle C, and A is the common angle. So that means these two triangles are what? Congruent, right? Sorry, these two triangles are similar. So these two triangles are similar. So as per similar criteria, we can write DE base ADE triangular base DE divided by ABC triangular base BC. So DE divided by BC equal to ADE triangular height divided by ABC triangular height. So taku red draw karuchi so that it will be clear. So let this is the height. So let this is M and this is N, right? So what is the height of ADE triangle? That is AM divided by height of ABC, that is AN, right? Or implies एठु हमें clear केते हैला ना D ए value केते हैला D equal to BC will be multiplied here. This is AM divided by AN into BC, right? So this is equal to what is AM? Total AN is H and MN is Y. So AM is H minus Y divided by AN, you know H whole into BC. BC का value B. So now this becomes, so just I am erasing. So now this DE is equal to H by H, that is 1. So 1 minus Y by H whole into B, right? So this is DE value. So now area of the element DA which was DE into DY can be written as 1 minus Y by H. Just D जगह में put करें A value 1 minus Y by H B into DY, right? So this is area of the element DE. Now already we have considered the mass for unit area is M. So mass of this DE element whose area is DE, so mass of element, how much? Now mass M into area is dA because this is mass per unit area. So mass per unit area into area of the element. So this is equal to M area jagre put kariba 1 minus Y by H all into B dy. Clear? So this is mass of the element. Now already we have discussed about in the last previous classes, we have discussed what is moment. So now here we will find moment of this element. Element means DE about base, that is BC. So we will find moment of the element DE about base BC. So what is the moment? So now if this is mass, moment already we have discussed, mass into area, sorry, mass into distance, force into distance, moment of force, area into distance, moment of area. So mass into distance, moment of mass. So now moment of element about base of the triangle, that is BC. How much? Now mass into distance, that is Y. So this is M, mass means M into 1 minus Y by H B dy. This is mass into distance is D, the elemental distance Y BC ru kehte hain Y. So this becomes M into 1, just multiply this by. So this is by minus by square divided by H dy, right? So this is moment for element DE about base BC. Now we will find total moment, same procedure jaha hitla uniform rod, same procedure. So now total moment of the triangle, total moment about base, that is BC, equal to integration M by minus by square divided by H dy. And of course what is the limit y is the variable, y the value 0 bc re and vary karuchi up to h a point. So this is limit is from 0 to h, y varies from 0 to h. So now this is the total moment. Now just do the integration. So this is equal to, you know, m is a constant term which can be taken out of the integration. So this is m, and just make integration for the two terms individually. So this is m b integration y dy from 0 to h minus again m b integration mb by h, in fact mb by h y square dy and limit from again 0 to h. So this is equal to mb, and you know y dy integration is y square by 2, y square by 2, and limit we can put 0 to h minus mb by h y square dy integration y cube by 3, and limit is 0 to h. So this is just mathematics. Integration you should know what is integration. Integration रे detail पढ़ी देले clear है जो आहुरी, and this is limit 0. So now just put the higher limit minus lower limit. 0 तो lower limit अच्छी, so directly higher limit जहाँ से ही आसीबो. So mb into y जगह में h put कले, this is h square by 2 minus this is mb by h into h cube by 3. So this is equal to mb h square by 2 minus mb h square by 3. mb h square by 2 minus mb h cancel is h square by 3. So finally this will be LCM 3 to 6. So this is 3 mb h square minus 2 mb h square. So finally this is mb h square divided by 6. So this is the final expression becomes, this is m b h square by 6. Let's say this is equation 1. So this is total moment of the element, total moment of the element a b c triangle का. So now let us consider कि center टा a g point रोचे आमे जोटा previous case रे already करी छे same method रे, and which is at a distance of केते ना y bar. हमें y bar ही बाहर करबा केते distance अछि, means base bc रू 0 distance. g हला गोटे point, जो point को हमें cg बोली consider करू छे abc triangle रो. So let's say it is at this point, and ए जो distance ता रहउची bc रू g पर्यंत distance हला ना y bar, हमें से value बाहर करबा. So we have considered y bar as the center of gravity, or the distance of center of gravity from base BC. So now what is the total moment now? Total mass, total moment equal to total mass कहते ना mass per unit area, that is m into area of the triangle, that is half bh into distance is y bar. So now just equate these two equations, because these are nothing but the two equations which are representing the total moment of the triangle. So implies these two are equal. So this is m into half bh into y bar equal to m b h square by 6. Or implies, you see, m cancel, b cancel, one h will be cancelled. Finally the expression for y bar equal to h by 3. So expression for y bar means distance of center of gravity from base. So the expression for a triangle, that is the location of the CG, is nothing but h by 3. That means CG of a triangle lies at a distance of 1/3 of its height from base. Base ru 1/3 distance जेति height अछि तार 1/3 distance ही लाई करबो. So एठी हमें ए जो y bar नउचे, that is h by 3. So we have completed the expression for triangle. Now we will derive the expression for CG for a rectangle, right? So now let me erase. So immediately we will start deriving the expression for CG of a rectangle. So for that, let us draw a rectangle. In the same manner we will find, I think it will be very clear if the same thing will be repeated again and again. Just keep watching this MKD education and you will be very clear. बहुत simple अच्छी किसी असुविधा नहीं बुझिबारे. Same thing ABC rectangle consider कले. Let this is P Q R S, or you can take ABCD. Let's say this is A B C D, A B C D, right? And let's say this is base, right? L and B. So we have to find the expression for center of gravity, friends. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହି ରଖେ, this is a symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure means कौन? ଗୋଟେ human body symmetric. Y axis human body is symmetric about y axis. यदि y axis midpoint रे pass कर middle रे pass करे human body, then it can divide the total human body into two equal parts. So friends, एठी देखो x axis and y axis. This ABCD rectangle is symmetric about both x and y axis. Means x axis मझरे pass कले equally divide होउची, y axis मझरे pass कले also it can divide the total figure into two equal parts. So सेटमें this is symmetric and symmetric figure पे मन रखो कि जो axis टा symmetric अछि तारी ऊपर ही center of gravity lie करिवो. So as it is symmetric to both x and y, आउ x axis रे lie करिवो, y axis रे भी lie करिवो definitely जो point से दीटा रे axis meet करूछथि. So सेटा ही तार center of gravity होबो. So एटा x axis, एटा y axis, so this is nothing but the center of gravity. Right? So logically we can find the center of gravity for this rectangle by this method. Now just we will derive the location in the same manner as we have discussed for the triangle. So now let us again consider a small element. A small element in the same manner we will derive. So let us consider a small element. Let's say this is your EF. Right, and again the distance is, let's say, y from base CD, and this, so mass per unit area is m, and area of the rectangle is, L into B. So total mass equal to mass per unit area into area, so m into L into B. Now you just consider a small element EF and the thickness is Ty. So area of the element, how much? Length is same L into thickness is dy. And what is mass? Mass of element is nothing but area, because mass per unit area m into area, so m L into dy. Same manner I am बाहर करूचे. So एटा है mass of the element. So moment केते हबो ना, moment of element हमें कोठी ना about CD, let about CD. Again same method, na mass into distance, ml dy is the mass into distance is y. So this is equal to ml y dy. This is the moment for element. So total moment integration करिबा. So total moment equal to integration m l y dy. And what is the limit? Y is 0 at CD and it is B at AB. So y varies from 0 to B. And what is the integration value? You see, ml can be taken out of the integration. As these are two constants. So just take out of the integration ml. So this is equal to ml y dy integration is y square by 2. So this is y square by 2 and the limit is from 0 to b. So put higher limit minus lower limit. So this is ml b square by 2. Equation 1. This is total moment for the rectangle. Now again in the same manner let us consider G is the center of gravity for the rectangle and which is at a distance of y bar आमे y bar केते बाहर करबा राइट cd लेयर रू बा cd लाइन रू जीरो डिस्टेंस हला y bar जोटा आमे बाहर करबा so if this distance is y bar so what is the total moment again total moment equal to total mass into distance so total moment equal to total mass kete mass per unit area that is m already I am discussion kariche and area is l into b so this is the mass total mass into distance is y bar so this is equation 2 now just we will equate these two same procedure jaha discussion heichi triangle pai and rod pai same procedure रे moment बाहर करिबा element रो ताकू integrate करिबा total moment pai and total moment total mass into distance करके equate करिबा so mlb y bar is nothing but mlb square by 2 or implies you see mlb will be cancelled so y bar equal to b by 2 right so similarly जेमिति हमें y bar बाहर कले हमें मोमेंट नबा अबाउट ad बार bc रे मोमेंट दे के हमें बाहर कर परिबा x bar that is x रे डिस्टेंस is nothing but equal to l by 2 so that means exactly तारो x and y axis जोठी मीट करूची that is the center exactly mid point रे ही लाई करूची center of gravity for the rectangle now we will derive the CG expression for semicircle right so it is important because rectangle was symmetric so it was quite easy but semicircle it is very important so please have a care and just concentrate upon the derivation so that it will be becoming simpler for you whenever you will derive in your exam or you practice it it will be simpler so just draw a semicircle let's say this is the semicircle and the radius is let's say r so r is the radius of the semicircle right and let say m equal to mass per unit area so again to find the center of gravity you know this is symmetry about y axis से दिन सम परे कहिबी still symmetry about y axis means y axis जदी मिडिल रे रहे ताले ए फिगर ता इक्वली दीटा पार्ट डिवाइड होची सो आमे केवल बाहर करिबा ना तार सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी x axis जदी बेस एटा हला बा लेट्स से दिस इज द बेस a b is the base a b रो केते हाइट रे रहिबो center of gravity that we will find so for that again let us consider an element so this is the element let's say this is c d and theta angle रे and this angle is d theta एटा केते d theta is the angular thickness and at an angle of theta from base ab so d theta equal to angular thickness of element consider angular thickness of element so now it is important to find the area of the element so let's say this is OCD area of the element ki hai na OCD so area of element OCD सेटा को हमें DA बोली धरिबा फ्रेंड्स एटा इंटरेस्टिंग ना OC डिस्टेंस से जहां OD डिस्टेंस से बिकॉज़ रेडियस so just consider if d theta will be very small then this OCD will nothing but a right angle triangle so OCD becomes a right angle triangle and what is the value of OD you know tan theta equal to p by b or sin theta equal to p by a जे कोनोसी फार्मूला यूज करके हमें बाहर करि परिबा ना CD रो लेंथ CD हला परपेंडिकुलर OC बेस हेले OD हाइपोटेनस यदि OD बेस हबो OC हाइपोटेनस सो से फार्मूला रे हमें बाहर करिबा OC हला रेडियस सो CD हला कोन परपेंडिकुलर सो CD इक्वल टू r d थीटा से फार्मूला रे बाहर करिबा DA इक्वल टू यू नो हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट एटा गोटे राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हला बेस केते ना OC लेफ्ट and CD हला हाइट सो हाफ इनटू OC बेस केते ना OC इनटू CD OCD is a right angle triangle and this angle we have considered as 90 degrees, so that OC is the base, so half into base into height, so half into OC ର value केते ना r radius into CD ର value r d theta, r d theta मु जस्ट कहउथिली आमे जदी tan theta एठी नबा p by b, so tan theta तो नाही angle केते अछि d theta, so tan d theta equal to p by b, that means CD divided by OC. और यदि d theta small तार tan d theta जगह में simply d theta put करिबा which is equal to CD by OC, और imply CD रा value केते ला ना OC into d theta, OC केते ना r, so r d theta, so these things you should know, सेति पई हमें CD जगह r d theta put करले, CD equal to r d theta, so this is equal to d r value केते ला ना r square d theta divided by 2. This is very important, you should remember कि एरिया केमती बाहर होची, सो एरिया बाहर साला परे अगेन सेम मेथड हमें जहां भी डिस्क्राइब करिचे प्रीवियस केसेस रे सेम मेथड विल फॉलो. सो एरिया ऑफ द एलिमेंट वी गॉट, नाउ व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ द एलिमेंट, द मास पर यूनिट एरिया इनटू एरिया, सो मास ऑफ एलिमेंट केते बारिबो ना मास पर यूनिट एरिया इज m into area, that is r square d theta divided by 2. So this is mass of the element. Element means OCD, right? And friends, हमें जदी एटा बोले राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हमें कंसीडर करछे, बट ट्रायंगल बोली कंसीडर करछे OCD को तार सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी लेट्स से ए जगह रे रहला कार ट्रायंगल रो अब जो डिस्टेंस ता एटा अब O ru G तक डिस्टेंस हमें जानि छे, CD रू ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिराइव्ड बेस रू 1/3, सो OG एटी केते आसीबो ना एटा जदी 1/3 हला माने r/3 हला एटा 2r/3 कोटा OG, सो ए जो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस ता हमें नउचे एटा को कोन नबा ना e बोली धरो, सो GE र वैल्यू केते होची ना OG एटा हला केते ना थीटा बोली कंसीडर करले, this G will be OG sin theta, that means 2r/3 sin theta, right? GE equal to 2r/3 sin theta. So mass of element एति खेले हमें मोमेंट बाहर करिबा about AB, so moment of element about AB equal to mass into distance, mass केते m r square d theta divided by 2 into, this is the mass into distance mu कहली ge रे वैल्यू केते ना 2r/3 sin theta, this is 2r/3 sin theta. So now just simplify it, simplify कले केते आसीबो ना simplify कले see how much, this is 2 getting cancelled, this is m r cube divided by 3, m r cube by 3 sin theta into d theta, right? So this is a moment of the element OCD about AB. Now for total moment, so total moment will be integration, total moment about AB equal to integration m r cube by 3 sin theta d theta integration, so theta 0 ru kete pi, 0 ru pi by 180, so this is m r cube by 3 constant out of the integration आसीगला sin theta रो integration केते my you have read, जदि न पढिथिबो ताल पढिबो ना sin theta रो integration minus cos theta, so limit हैला 0 to pi, right? So now we will put higher value of the limit minus lower value of the limit to find the integration value. So this is m r cube by 3, this is m r cube by 3 whole into minus जेतु अछि आगो लोअर लिमिट पुट करिबा, so this is cos 0 minus cos pi, and friends cos 0 value 1, r value 1 और r value minus 1, so cos 0 1 minus minus 1 माने 2, so this is 2/3 m r cube, 2/3 m r cube, this is equation 1, right? Already हमें डिराइव करी बाहर करले टोटल मोमेंट सो अगेन हमें कंसीडर करबा सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी लेट्स से पॉइंट रहउची जी पॉइंट रे जहार डिस्टेंस ला y बार हमें ए वैल्यू बाहर करबा y बार रो वैल्यू केते अछि सेटा ही बाहर करबा अछि सो सेति पई हमें कोन करबा ना टोटल मोमेंट इक्वल टू टोटल मास जोटा g रे अछि इनटू डिस्टेंस y बार सो अगेन टोटल मोमेंट केते हबो ना टोटल मोमेंट इक्वल टू टोटल मास केते मास पर यूनिट एरिया दैट इज m into area केते सेमी सर्कल pi r square by 2 so this is total mass into distance केते अछि ना y बार हम जोटा नै छै so now this is total moment so these two expressions are representing the total moment of the figure or semicircle about its base AB so dita जाक से समान हम now just equate करबा equate कले कोन हो ना this is m pi r square into y bar divided by 2 equal to 2m rq by 3 or implies you see mm will be cancelled and this is finally 1 r will be 2 r square rq कटिगले रहइबो खाली r and finally y bar केते आसीबो 2 will be multiplied here 4 होबो गोटी r रहइबो divided by 3 pi एपटे डिवाइड हे जिवो सो फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन इज y bar equal to 4r by 3 pi that means आर बेस रु डिस्टेंस हैला y bar केते डिस्टेंस ना 4r by 3 pi वेरी इंपोर्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन परीक्षा बारंबार आसुची भाबुची सब बुझी हे जाइतिबो ऑलरेडी